Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to file a tax return on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and scroll down to find the Taxes section. You can also use the search icon to locate it. If you have already started the process, tap Resume. Otherwise, tap Begin and follow the steps. Start by creating a password for your tax return to log in across devices. Then enter your basic details like name, address, and personal information. If you're employed with a regular salary, input your W-2 form. If you are self-employed, enter details from your 1099 form. Additional income, such as bank interest, requires a 1099 INT form. Next, enter expenses, deductions, and write-offs. For example, travel expenses for work, medical expenses, and quarterly tax payments can reduce taxable income. Use the search feature to find specific forms or sections. If you prefer, you can switch to a desktop by visiting Cash App Taxes. Once all details are entered, tap Review and File to check for errors and savings opportunities. Tap Get Ready to e-file to review your federal tax summary and state refund details. Provide your state ID and select a PIN or AGI from last year's return. If you owe federal taxes, you can pay through a bank, IRS website, or installment plan. If you are due a state refund, choose to deposit it into Cash App, another bank, or receive a check. So that's basically how you can file a tax return on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.